Hi, so today I want to give you a little acupressure point that will support your lungs and bring more vitality to support the breath and your chi flow. So this point is located on the chest, and if you come to the center of your chest and flow along your collarbone and you bump into the shoulder, it's right there in the valley there. This is it's actually slightly in, and this is point 1 and 2 of the lung channel. Now if you take your hand, make a fist, you can gently tap there. So you don't have to know the exact area. You get the generalized area because that's going to help move the chi. And just do a little tap there. You might cough a little bit, that's okay. This is loosening up maybe phlegm or any what we call stagnation in Chinese medicine. We want to get it going a little bit more. In fact, let's get it going a little bit better by bringing all your fingers together with your thumb. This is a hand mudra called dragon's mouth. You can even see the little dragon's mouth there. And bring that to this area, and let's just massage, like you have an acupuncture needle. And you're just going to massage here. And find the areas that are very uncomfortable. And then move slightly, a few millimeters, one direction, and then move a little bit more, rub there. Just kind of find those uncomfortable spots and just massage them. Massaging meaning rubbing a circle or going up and down, left and right, whatever feels right, just to kind of loosen up that tension. This area can get quite tense and you'll feel a lot of muscular tension there. So we want to loosen that up because that's going to open up flow into your lungs. And then tap it one more time. Good. And that will help open up that side. Now we don't want to forget the other side, so we'll do the same thing. So you find that along where the collarbone meets up to the shoulder and slightly down and tap down and in and tap there. You might notice a difference between one side and the other. That's very common. And just tap for a moment there, just kind of waking up and bring your focus there. You want to focus on the area that you're working with. That's always the case in Qigong. Bring your awareness along with it. And then fingertips come together with thumbs, and it's time to find the uncomfortable spots on this side. And just massage a little bit, rub a little bit more, move it a little bit, rub a little bit more. Just kind of loosen up all these tension areas in the upper chest. You can do this for as long as you need to. So just a little demonstration here, and then tap it again. Now that we've loosened it up, this will help create more release by tapping it again. And then let's come right to the center and do a little tap on each side of the breastbone. Take a big breath in, and let's sigh it out and go, ah. Good, inhale. Ah. One more time. Ah. Good, and just open up your hands. Don't touch the chest, bring a little space, so there's a little space here. And just bring your hands slightly off. Just see if you can imagine sending some more energy into those points. Open up your lungs and imagine your lungs filling with white light. Nice deep breaths in and out through the nose. Place your tongue on the upper palate and smile to your lungs. Get a sense of harmonizing the flow in your lungs. Good. And slowly bring your hands to the chest. A little rub here in the upper chest. Good. And then let your hands drop down. And I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.